So this is a continuation of a Kimathi Street upgrade, and as you can see, they are doing amazing work. Look at this, how they are changing from these old cabros to these new modern cabros. Yeah, so this is what is happening in Kimathi Street and Kenyatta Avenue, because as you can see, we are on Kenyatta Avenue at this point, but when we turn this way, we're gonna be joining Kimathi Street. So let me show you this special upgrade that is happening on Nairobi. Yeah, look at this, very nice work. We on this side, we are heading to Naition Center. Yeah, this work is taking place along Naition Center. Yeah, they are upgrading Nairobi. Ona venye inakaa mzuri. Wanaweka cabros mpya watoe zile mzee, and it looks amazing. In fact, the business people are gonna be very happy people, because the access to their shops is gonna be easy. People are gonna be able to come to their shops without much struggle. So tumetoka huko, unaona venye kunakaa. It's on a Sunday, by the way. Yeah, being on a Sunday, there are not many people around, so that's why we are walking around alone. Yeah, hapo ndio Naition Center. Unaona venye inakaa, very nice, very nice. The streets of Nairobi being upgraded to world class status. Yeah, they are gonna be removing all this. Hey, someone has a nice car and they are cruising softly. So they are removing these old cabros and replacing them with the modern ones. Yeah, I'm avoiding to get closer to that side of the Naition Center, obviously for security reasons. But as you can see, they are removing these old ones. Yeah, you can see these old ones are being removed and then replacing them with the modern ones that I've shown you on the other side. Yeah, so this is how Nairobi is changing and becoming a world-class city. So from there you can see they have removed, yeah, up to that point, that's where they have removed the old cabros, and then they're gonna be replacing them with the new ones. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. My name is JM Kaundo, showing you the upgrade of Nairobi CBD, how it's coming along. So let's go to the other side of Moi Avenue and also show you how this work is going along. Naona hata pia hapa wametoa hizi old cabros, na venye wametoa hapa, wametoa zote. Sasa watakuja wa replace na hizo new ones, the modern ones. So hivi ndio Nairobi ina change to become a world class city. Hizi ndio zimekuwa, sasa wanatoa hizi waweke mpya na zile mzuri. So you can see for yourself the whole Nairobi being transformed to the new Nairobi. Okay, so from that side, that's where we come from, and then we are circling to show you also the side of Moi Avenue, how it's changing. Okay, so make sure you subscribe for update of what is happening in Nairobi and all the infrastructure projects that are taking place in Nairobi, Kenya. Okay, so this way we are heading to Moi Avenue. Yeah, the Bazaar Plaza. So you see from here, this is the face of the Moi Avenue. That's how it looks like. But this one's is gonna change. We're gonna have a new modern cabros. You can see here, I think the owner of this building kind of tried to do something, but I think this one is gonna be changed by the Nairobi City County. So they are trying to make Nairobi work and make it a modern city. Yeah. So this is how Nairobi is changing. Okay, so we are taking on a tour. On the other side you can see I don't know whether I can be able to cross and show you how they are removing the old cabros and replacing them with the modern ones. Yeah, so let's cross and show you. So from here you can see there's some road works that is taking place. They have removed here, unaona hivi ndio wametoa, alafu sasa kutoka hapa unaona sasa wameanza kuweka hizi mpya. Hivi ndio Nairobi ina change. Unaona hizi cabros wanaweka hapa. Very nice, very nice. Even the business people wanna enjoy, at least they have a very nice space ya kufanyia kazi. Sasa hivi ndio Sakaja anafanya kazi. I'm not in any way campaigning for him, just showing you the reality on the ground on the things that are changing in Nairobi CBD. Okay. More construction. Unaona hapa hivi ndio wanafanya, and there is a high-rise apartment that is coming up over here. So you can see at least this development is encouraging people to develop Nairobi CBD. Hivi ndio mambo ina change Nairobi, mambo inakuwa mzuri. People are look at this modern streets of Nairobi. Very nice. The modern streets of Nairobi. You can see they're even preserving the trees. They are not cutting them down. They are preserving them. So even ndio mambo iko. Very nice work that is taking place over here. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop me a comment. Tell me what you think about this Nairobi CBD TF Mall. You can see for yourself, Nairobi is changing. Very nice work that is taking place. So this is the Moi Avenue. Yeah, we come from Kimathi Street on that other side, and then we can see everywhere things are changing. Okay, so very nice work. You can see even people are doing business. People are putting work on a Sunday. Leo ni Sunday by the way, na watu wako kazi, watu wanachapa kazi kweli kweli. So even ndio Nairobi ina change. All this work is going all the way that way, so probably we can cross on that other side and show you also what is happening. Yeah, so we need to confirm whether it's safe for us to cross. Platinum Plaza, to cross. Yeah, we can. Zuri restaurant. So you can see how work is happening here. Kazi safi, Nairobi safi. Hata hiyo side ingine the same thing is happening. Yeah. So making Nairobi work is happening. Everywhere in Nairobi they are changing this the whole face of Nairobi with a new face of new cabros. You can see some precasts there that are being used. Na manguo ziko hapo zinauzwa 1000 kama unataka kuja ununue. So that is it with the upgrade of Nairobi CBD, the recarpeting of Nairobi. I appreciate your love and support. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye. Okay. Kasa. Bado nena. Kama sina Guys, welcome to my channel. This is JM Kaundo. Something is happening on Kimathi Street. As you can see, the recarpeting of Kimathi Street. Very nice. You can see how the face of Kimathi Street is changing. Yeah, they are putting new cabros which are looking very amazing. So from here to Naition Center, I'll be showing you how it's changing. Okay, so that is what do you call it, the Kencom. Then on this side we are on Kimathi Street, and as you can see, it has been constructed, and they are putting new cabros which are looking very amazing. Yeah, so the streets of Nairobi are looking better, and we have this nice building. Look at how beautiful Nairobi city is becoming. There also the other side, they are also doing the same. So we're gonna be touring all these changes. I'm gonna be showing you everything, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. My name is JM Kaundo. Yeah, your favorite content creator. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and let's keep on exploring. Watu tuna mwana wanaona kwa niwe security ya kwa. So as you can see, they are working on it. They are marking the streets. Yeah, you can see how they are marking the streets. Yeah, they are changing the streets of Nairobi to look better. So here we are approaching Kenyatta Avenue. That is the Kenyatta Avenue. Then Sarova Stanley over there. Yeah, some electric buses. Very nice. We're gonna be doing a review of these electric buses one of these good days. So you can see the construction work is still going on. Yeah, this is what is happening. So you can see even this area, they are also doing the same. Yeah, so at this point they haven't done it, but from there You can see they have already put the new cabros. So this is happening everywhere in Nairobi CBD. Yeah, from the city center, Kencom we visited and I showed you. So you can see even this area, they're gonna be doing the same. So Nairobi is being made to work. They say let's Nairobi work. Okay, so this is what is happening around here. Yeah, I'm showing you the new development. So